Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I am sharing with you a t-shirt haul from Amazon. Of course, this order is not a recent order. I had ordered this item 1 month back, I guess. Yes, but since I was not having time to shoot this video, I'm just shooting it right now for you just to entertain you. If you all want anything from Amazon right now, Amazon is delivering some basic necessities, of course, not the clothes and all. So what you all can do is you all can, if possible, I am not sure whether you all can add the items in your cart or no. If possible, you all can add the items in your cart. Once the situation permits, then you all can definitely go ahead and order the things if you like it. Okay, there's no it all depends on your choice, but this is just for the fun, and whatever I am having, I thought of sharing it with you. Right now, before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can hit the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well. Once you hit the bell icon, you will be notified from the YouTube about my future uploads and videos, and you won't be missing out basically any of the videos right now. And it's absolutely free, right? And you all can tell the same thing, you all can tell to your friends and family also. Even they can subscribe to my channel, and it's absolutely free, so there's no harm. All right, and once you subscribe, it encourages me to make more and more videos. All right, and you can let me know down in the comment section what kind of videos you would like to see from my side, like what you like in my content, what would you like to see more, like you want to see hauls, you want to see reviews, or maybe what exactly you are expecting from my channel. Okay, so this will actually be a guideline for me to work ahead and to move ahead with the channel. All right, now let's move ahead with the video. I think the intro is a little bit longer, I'm so sorry for that. Now let's begin with the video. Let's begin with the haul. Chalo. The first thing, there are basically 4 t-shirts which I ordered. The first thing is this, I had ordered a combo. One is white t-shirt, one is a grey t-shirt. Now you will think why. This is basically a plain t-shirt, full sleeves plain t-shirt. Now what I thought, whenever I wear any kind of jeans, shrug or something, and if I go to some colder place, I cannot wear spaghetti top or maybe a thick noodle strap straw top and all. Like, it is little uncomfortable for me, and I feel cold in that. So for that particular purpose, I have ordered this basic tee. Okay, and these are actually in the small size, but you all can see it's little bit bigger. So if you are not, I just want to tuck this in my jeans, I can just tuck it inside in my jeans, so length is okay. But basically what I wanted is a full sleeves t-shirts. Okay, so if you all search Amazon, you get this kind of combos in lot of different varieties, lot of different colors, and like lot of different patterns. So you all can definitely check Amazon for that. So first is this gray t-shirt. As I told you, it's plain black, nothing, normal t-shirt material, very good, comfy. Only the downside of this particular thing is, like, since I ordered small, I thought it will perfectly fit me, but it was little loose. So I thought, I am thinking extra small will be perfect, but I guess there was no extra small. The smallest size was small. So if you all are like me on thinner sides, then please check the size chart and then order the thing. Okay, but I have already got it altered, so no problem. Now this perfectly fits me. Okay, so this is the first t-shirt, which is in white color. Same goes with the gray color. Nothing great, nothing new, only gray color, full plain. Same full sleeves t-shirt. I forgot to tell you, round neck, rounder normal neck. You all can see it's written 1, so I guess 1 is the size, that is small. Okay, again full size, full sleeves, sorry, and nothing great on the hem. Also simple normal tee. Even I got this also altered. So both the t-shirts are in a combo. I guess I had paid $3.99. Yeah, when I went to my local market, when I just searched for full sleeves t-shirt, I was not getting on such a low price. So I thought of ordering from Amazon, and since I'm a prime member, I got the delivery within 2 to 3 days, and I have not paid any extra shipping also. I think shipping was free for Prime. So check out all that options also. So this is the first set of t-shirts, so 2 t-shirts. The second one is this camo print tee, not tree. What am I saying? I'm out of words basically. You can see it is, I think, from one of the WYO brand. Okay, and it is in the size small. Okay, I'm very happy with this particular t-shirt. You all can see it's a V-neck tee, not a proper V, but yeah, curved V. Okay, this is a full sleeves t-shirt. Camo print is right now very in. The material is very soft, very comfy. You will not feel cold in this kind of t-shirt. So that is why I got this also. And the length of this t-shirt is perfect. So if you are not tucking in your jeans also, or maybe in your trouser also, done, no problem. You all can wear this without tucking in. You all can keep this t-shirt out also. So this is the third t-shirt, and I think I have not got this altered. No, this fitted me perfect. So if you all want, you all can just check out that. And the back side is normal. Okay, the normal round neck, no, nothing deep or nothing, like no visibility. And the material is also good, no transy. See, my hand is inside, so it's not transparent. So definitely thumbs up for this t-shirt. So you all can order this from Amazon. And camo print is very much in right now. Camo print, then leopard print, cheetah print, all that snake print, all this is in thing right now. You all must be aware. I don't have to tell you, of course, but just thought of sharing. So this is a camo print tee. So, or you can say army print. I'm not sure. Camo print is, I think, the most likely word what we say is camo print. So this is the third tee. The fourth tee is actually still in plastic. I have not removed the plastic also. I wanted a polo t-shirt. Okay, I'll just show you. Yeah, see, this is from the brand Adro, ADRO. I'll just show you the sticker. Yeah, it is woman extra small. The best part of this t-shirt is you get this in extra small size, and for me extra small is perfect because I'm very lean, I'm very thin. Okay, and it comes with a polo neck, that is a collar on the neck side. Front buttons, 3 buttons are given, openable. Of course, you can open, and once you wear the t-shirt you can close this. The sleeves is half sleeves with a normal strap thingy. You can say, what you can call this, a band, not stretchable enough, but yeah, little stretchy strap. Okay, the same color, no contrast, nothing, and it is in green color. So same with here. Okay, down, on the down part you can see there's a contrast putty work given over here. You all can see it is little high low. Okay, this way. Okay, and inner seams and everything is stitched very well, very nicely. Also it's given over here, all everything is perfect for this t-shirt. I'm very happy with this. And also one extra button is given. You all can see one extra button is given, and I guess I got this for around 199 rupees. I just see the company tag is also there. I have not yet removed the tag also. It's there with the tag. Okay, and the back side is a total plain blank, nothing great in, like nothing much detailing on the back side. But if you all want to order, definitely go for this t-shirt. You can check the brand, and then you all can order. ADRO, Adro Clothing Company. You all can search on Amazon. I guess I paid 199 for this, and 199 is absolutely perfect for a polo t-shirt. If you all check any other sites, you won't be getting, and definitely the material is very good. It's pure cotton. So if you all check any other websites, I don't think you'll be getting this particular t-shirt in just 200 rupees. So you all can just check Amazon for that. Amazon is not paying me to make this video. I have spent my own money. This is not at all a sponsored video. So yes, this is the 4th t-shirt. I think, and I hope you like my content and you like this video. Still, if you are watching till here, that means you like the content. Yes, correct. Yes, then please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Right now on the end screen also you all can see my few other videos, whichever uploads, like I have ordered few things from Amazon, and also you all can check that videos also on the end screen, or else you can visit my channel also for lot of other fun videos, reviews and everything. Please visit my channel, subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching.